Hi everyone, welcome to Cocktails and Dreams. I'm your host, ZACK, PROHASKA, and in this video, I'm going to show you a move that you have all been asking me for, the shadow pass. Now, for those of you that don't know what the shadow pass is, it's pretty much a no-look catch, throwing one object from one side of your body to the other behind your head without looking. So I'm going to show you two types of shadow passes that you can use, and I'm also going to show you two routines that you can use the shadow pass in. Now, before I show you this move, if you haven't seen my Instagram, check it out. It's CD Bartending, and I post 1-minute tutorials pretty much every day. So if there's something that you want to learn, let me know in the comments below, and I'll make a video for you. Also guys, if you like this video, don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share with your bartender buddies. All right, let's get started with the shadow pass. Okay, when we're starting off with the shadow pass, I want it to be really easy, okay? So we're gonna break it down and I'm gonna try and make it as easy as possible, but I want you to understand something. The shadow pass does take practice. If you're not landing it within 5 minutes, don't get frustrated and give up and say it's too hard. It is a tough technique to learn in the beginning, but once you get it and once you're comfortable with it, it's a great move to have in your bag of tricks. So I'm gonna show you two types of shadow passes. We're gonna grab the tin and throw it like this into your other hand, and I'm also gonna show you the same hand toss. Just like so, okay? So we'll start off with the first one. What I want you to do is just first, I want you to hold your tin facing up. We're not gonna do any rotations or anything cool with it. I just want you to be able to throw the tin from your left to your right, nice and comfortably, okay? If you're not comfortable with this, you're not ready for the shadow pass. Okay, so now this is a breeze. Too easy for you. Let's step it up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn our head to the right, we're gonna have our tin in our right hand, and we're gonna do that simple toss, but you want to aim it behind your head, okay? You're kind of aiming for your ear, just don't throw it at the side of your face. You probably will, and I'm sorry in advance. But what you want to do is you want to gently toss this tin from one side and try and throw it to the back of your head. Now, it's very common when people are practicing this, they have their left hand so far out, and if you're not comfortable with the throw, it's very hard to catch. So I want you to bring that hand all the way up, as close as you possibly can, okay? And you're going to gently do a soft toss and try and land it right in your hand, okay? Notice my hand is really close to my head. So I'm throwing it past my ear, I'm ducking my shoulder when I'm learning, I'm passing it into my hand. Now you're probably gonna have to throw this about 100 times before you're comfortable. But the more comfortable you get, you wanna bring your hand out further. And then you can bring out your hand further, okay? So that's how you start. So start with a tin because if it hits you in the head, it doesn't hurt as much. But when you get comfortable with it, move on to a bottle and just practice from one hand to the next. Now it comes pretty close to your head. Don't let it scare you. It's only a tin, it won't hurt too much. But gentle toss, hand up close, and catch. And when you're better, bring that hand out further, gentle toss, and into your hand. Okay, now we're gonna do our other shadow pass from the same hand. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our hand, we're gonna bring it close to your ear, okay? Now this one takes a little bit more practice because you gotta throw and you gotta swing your hand back, okay? So make sure you're comfortable with the first catch and whereabouts your hand is. So what you're gonna do is you're just pretty much throwing this tin past your ear. Once you release, you're gonna pull your body back and you want your hand right in the spot where it's gonna land. So just like this, okay? Now, I'm not turning my head when I'm throwing. I'm not doing one of these. Okay, you want to keep looking straight. You're going to try and watch the tin as much as you can. So you're really going to turn your eyes to the right, and you just want to throw and catch, throw and catch, and you got to get comfortable with it, just like so. Okay, and then you should practice the other way. So there you have it, guys. The shadow pass, just like this. Now, when you get better, try turning your wrist around and holding the tin upside down, and doing that same throw with a half rotation into your hand from here and into your other hand, okay? And when you're getting more comfortable with it, step it up again and start adding some rotations. Same thing goes from the same hand. You can go a flat toss if you like. You can do a one rotation if you like. You can do a double rotation if you like. All right, so here's a short little sequence that you can use that has a shadow pass. All right, so here we go. So we're gonna grab our tin, we're gonna grab our bottle, we're gonna do an easy swipe through. I want you to throw this tin behind your head to a shadow pass, but you're gonna grab this bottle while the tin's passing the back of your head, like this. One, pass, catch. Okay, I'll show you again. We're gonna throw, pass, catch, throw, pass, catch. Okay, so we're grabbing our tin, we're going to a swipe through, throw, pass, catch, swipe, and pour. All right, guys, our second routine looks like this. So what we're doing, guys, is we're gonna go into a swipe through, we're gonna do a reverse grip on our bottle, we're gonna go around our head, and we're gonna snap the bottle out like this. Now, as we do that, we're gonna take this tin and we're gonna do a shadow pass past our ear and catch it in our other hand, okay? So we're going around our head, we're shooting the bottle down, shadow pass, and then we're gonna throw the bottle, grab our grip like this, hand spin the tin, place it on our bicep, and go into a pour. All right, so I'll show you again. We're grabbing our tin, we're grabbing our bottle, we're swiping through, reverse gripping the bottle around our head, we're shooting our arm out, we're doing a shadow pass, we're changing the grip on the bottle, we're hand spinning the tin to a half hand spin, placing it on our bicep, and going it into a pour, dropping it, easy toss, and add that to our glass. So there you have it, guys. That's the shadow pass, and there's a couple ways that you can use it. Now remember, you can use it with any objects that you like. If you want to do it with a tin, you can do it with a tin. If you want to do it with a bottle, you can do it with a bottle. So there you have it. That's the shadow pass. Now make sure you practice it before you use it, because if you do it wrong, it can go wrong, all right? You don't want to hurt yourself and you don't want to hurt anyone around you. So practice hard, have fun, and keep flipping.